What is up, YouTube? Back again with another video for you guys today. And yeah, guys, so today I bought some of the products that you guys recommended. So I went to Walmart yesterday and I found this one. I know I'm gonna go ahead and tag your name, the person who recommended this. There was a couple of people who recommended the Simple Green all-purpose cleaner. So I think this right here, you have to dilute it to you know, right here, see, full strength 1-to-1 dilution. So this is meant to be diluted, so we're gonna try a couple, combinations. So like 2 cups water and then half a cup of this, or might even try to go just pure chemical on this thing, because these stains they're not bad, but if you guys remember, we couldn't get them completely out. So hopefully this can finish the job. So we're going to be trying out different products for different spots. So we got this one here. If I remember correctly, this was like about $5. I'll go ahead and put the prices down on these as well. This one was like $4, I think, and then this one was, I think, $7. I think this one was the most expensive one. I'll have to check my receipts. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna be using our little green spot cleaning machine, the extractor. We're gonna start with these first, since we'll dilute this later. But I'm gonna go ahead and start off by just spraying some little stains. So since this one was the most expensive, I'm gonna spray it on the more noticeable stains, the ones that are like really dark. So we're gonna use this one on these right here, on this one and that little tiny one there. We're gonna use this product here on this one and this right here. So I mean, it's pretty straightforward. You just spray it, let that soak in, and then with our extractor, we're not gonna be using any chemicals on that. We're just gonna use straight hot water. This right here, I'm gonna leave it there because this seat's always down, so no one even sees that, so it's whatever. But I can tell you guys now, like right away, this is strong. You can smell it right away. It's pretty strong. So we're gonna let this soak in for a bit, and I'm gonna go get the hot water, and you can see what happens. I probably should have taken some before and after pictures. All right, so here, I haven't sprayed this yet, so you guys can see that. I'm gonna spray it. All right, guys. Oh, we got this one right here too. Might as well. All right, so one thing that I can tell you guys too is this thing runs out quick. So just from spraying this right here, it's already like gone. Like there's still some in there, but you can feel it. It feels like it's like about like right here. So this thing's almost done. So we're gonna let this sit for like 5 minutes. I'm gonna go get the extractor, fill it up with hot water, and then we'll be back, guys, once we start extracting this and scrubbing it and see if it actually got lighter or not. All right, guys, so real quick before we get spraying, I'm just gonna go over this bottle and make sure you guys see all the information that's advertised on the bottle. So it does say it removes permanent stain removal for carpet and area, blah blah blah. Out cleans the leading aerosol spot cleaner, protects from future stains. High pressure steam cleans all the way to the backing. So I mean, that explains why it was pretty pricey. Instructions, pretty boring stuff, but you guys should probably read the instructions and stuff. All right, guys, so this has been sitting there for a while. Just looks white. It doesn't look like it just looks like that foam stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and start extracting and see if we can tell a difference. All right, so I'm sorry, I couldn't get a good angle. I can't seem to find my tripod, but not gonna lie, this thing actually worked. It cleared up. I'm not sure if this, it kind of looks like a little bleach stain. I'm not sure if this was already there or if it was caused by the product itself, because I'm not seeing that stain on these other spots. This one for sure, you guys remember that one was really dark. It was right here. I'm gonna see if I can find I'll post a little before and after. There was like a little black spot here, but that thing went away for sure. These things here, you can still kind of see like a little bit of it, but it did honestly cleared up a lot. All right, guys, so up next we're gonna tackle this stain here and that one there, this one here. Get a good look at it, because we can get a better before and after. So we're gonna be using this product here. So this claims to destroy tough messes on the first try. So we're gonna go ahead and find out. So we're just gonna spray it down. I got a little bit over here too, might as well. This one doesn't smell as bad. The other one smelled kind of like a lot like vinegar. This one has a really clean like smell to it, like a little bit of lime. It smells good. Don't smell as strong. So we're gonna be quite generous with our spray down. Now let's spray this over here. We're gonna be really generous, guys. We're gonna soak it up. That way the product is all in there and can really break down all that gunk and stuff. So we'll see how this turns out. All right, so we're gonna let that soak in there for about another 5 minutes, and we'll be back with the extractor. Same process, hot water only. We're just gonna get to extracting and hopefully get some results like this one right here. And I'm just giving you guys another overview of that first stain we tackled. So this one went away for sure, without a doubt. These right here, I can still kind of see little hints of them, but you know, they're not that noticeable. This one kind of is, but it's kind of because it's still wet. but you can still see it's like a lot darker than all this over here. So for good measure, we're just gonna spray it down real quick with this one because the other one ran out already. So we saw the results already, so now we're just gonna hit this one and see if it will aid in making that stain disappear. All right guys, so check it out. So far the stain, you can still see them. The stupid suns, you can see them still. They're a lot lighter for sure. You can barely see them, but nonetheless, you know, stains are still there. Now keep in mind guys, we didn't use the drill brush on this, so maybe that had something to do with it. We just let the product soak in, but I mean, I kind of doubt that would have made a big difference. Who knows? Yeah guys, what do you guys think in the comments? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys think it was worth it? It was like $5. I mean, it's definitely an improvement, so that's always good. Got to look at the bright side guys. It did get a lot better, so that's a good thing. All right, so you could definitely see this stain here, this brown one. That didn't go away, and we sprayed it with that expansive one. So, and we gave it another one with this one here. So that's 2 products already that we used, and still nothing. I mean, it did get better, a lot better guys. Like, come on, compared to how it was. This one too. So this one for sure went away. So not too bad, not too bad. Right guys, so moving on to the driver's side. If you guys remember this stain here, we're going to be using the Simply Green or Simple Green product on this stain here, regardless to if it, you know, we want it to get better, but even if it doesn't, it's okay because we got floor mats anyways. So we're only going to focus on this area here. We're not going to worry about this. Yeah guys, so we're going to be using straight product. We're not going to dilute it. That way it's at its max strength, you know. So yeah guys. All right guys, so we're going to be spraying our Simple Green product on the stain now. Let's see what happens. All right guys, check this one out. This is that Simple Green product. This was not diluted, so it was just straight product. Damn guys, this one actually worked a lot better than I expected. I actually expected this one to do the worst, but it actually did the best out of all 3 of the products we tested today. And you get more bang for your buck because that, if you want to dilute it, it makes like 5 gallons, and it was like $5 I think, 4 something. Can't go wrong with that one guys. Check that out. This is where that stain was at. All right guys, so I think that's it for this video. You guys saw the results. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Which product do you think worked better? My personal opinion, I'd go with that Simple Green, hands down. Best bang for your buck. Worked super good. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.